These are the elevators at the Carlyle Arms apartment building in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These were originally old Haughton elevators, but then they're modernized with GAL jet plus vandal resistant. Here's an elevator. These are pretty busy. Car one, copy. This is a service elevator, it has padding, but I don't really care. Okay. Door open buttons twisted. Originally old Haughton. Not sure who modernized this, but it has GAL jet plus vandal resistant. Originally Haughton. I can show you the Haughton logo on the floor when we go back down. Didn't beep for 3, that's weird. Didn't beep for 6 either. Don't think it's gonna beep for 8. Or it did. Here are 8, go back down to the lobby. Yep. The other one's here. PDA phone. I don't remember the cab on the other one. The other one did not have padding. That's the cab. There's a certificate. Wait, let me see where this is. This is Carlyle Arms. Haughton logo. It's originally old Haughton. Upper stopping at 2. Let the person, these are California buttons. Up.
Oh, okay.
Here's the elevator.